Hello, today we are at Masia's Advantage Maharashtra Expo 2026 in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This is Maharashtra's biggest expo for Tier 1 OEMs, Tier 2, and today we are here in this expo and there are 1400 plus stall and 4 lakhs plus visitors, and this is the biggest event. And we as a Metalman, we have a booth in the hall A1 and we are here as the exhibitor. चला आपण मेटलमॅन ऑटोचा बूथ बघूया. Right from the frame to the handlebars, all the metal components are manufactured by Metalman Auto, and we provide complete contract manufacturing for the EV scooter assemblies and all other accessories. And this is one of the example of our contract manufacturing. We assemble the complete sub-assembly scooter, sub-assembly bike for one of the OEMs. We provide wide range of head bars and headrest to the major OEMs. We also manufacturing wide range of white good products. This is one of the example of washing machine panels. With our products and with respect to our quality, we ensure the inspection is fully robotic and AI based inspection to ensure the defect free products for our customers. Right from two-wheeler child part components to vehicle manufacturing, contract assembly and all the assembly, we also manufacture the full cabins of the other heavy vehicles like JCB. This is one of the example that we provide for our customers. Thank you. As we are one-stop shop for all your requirements, start from raw materials, child parts to the finished products with in-house comprehensive surface treatment. Welcome to Metalman Auto.